Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Marvel Rivals not connecting or working. Let's get straight into the video. So one thing you guys can do is go over to Steam, go over to Library, look for Marvel Rivals wherever you find it. I'm just going to use an installed game as an example, but right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. Now from here you can go ahead and click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's done, you can go back and you can run the game. I recommend when you close Steam, you go over to Steam top left, hit exit. Once that's done, you go over to Steam on your desktop, find it, right click on it, and hit run as an administrator. And then once Steam is open, try to open up the game this way. Another method you guys can try doing is if you're on NVIDIA, go ahead and just update your drivers, your GeForce Experience. And yeah, you can do the equivalent on AMD too, but I'm not really sure how to do that. But on NVIDIA, you just go over to GeForce Experience and you just do that. And another thing you guys can do is restart your internet router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute, plug it back in, and I highly recommend restarting your PC right after. But anyways, once you're done with that, you should be good to go, and you can go ahead and open up Steam and then start up Marvel Rivals, and then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.